Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use your phone as a second monitor. Working on more than one monitor can save you a lot of time and boost your productivity. However, if you don't have a second monitor at home, or if you only need a second monitor for a short amount of time, you can use your Android instead. This can be a better option because it won't take up a lot of room and it's also portable. There are a lot of third-party apps that can make your Android a second display. For Windows, the best app you can use is Space Desk, a screen mirroring and screen extension app. In order for this to work, there are a couple of things you need to do. First, download Space Desk drivers on your Windows. Make sure you choose the right installation file type for your Windows OS version. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to install Space Desk. Now, install the Space Desk app on your Android device. After that, open the app. Then, tap on the plus icon next to Connect Primary Machine Server. Then, enter the IP address of your Windows. Now, tap on the Connect button. And when these two devices are linked, your Android screen will be the same as your Windows display. If you don't want your Android to mirror the Windows screen but rather just to act as its extension, this is what you need to do. Right-click anywhere on your Windows display and choose Display Settings. Then, select Extend these displays on the drop-down menu. And last, click on the Apply button. The good thing about this app is that you only need an internet connection to use it, without the need for a USB cable. Just make sure that your Windows and your Android are on the same LAN network. Keep in mind that this Space Desk Android app can only be used with the Windows Space driver. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.